Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you my go-to 10 minutes makeup look using some affordable products. You guys know how much I love affordable products. Like, I love high-end luxury products as well, but there is something so good about affordable products where you can just buy them so easily. You can use them every day. Just buy high-end products because that just makes me happy. That's it. But today's video is going to be all about affordable 10 minutes everyday makeup look. So let's get started. As you guys can see, all that shininess and glowiness that I have on my skin, that is with Skin Prep. If you want to know how I do my skin prep, then definitely follow this video on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and check out my first video because I uploaded it recently, and you will see how beautiful skin prep can actually help you get that beautiful base makeup look. So make sure to follow that as well. My favorite primer, I will say, which I'm using a lot, is this one from Mars. This is their Mars Glow Clock primer, which is infused with green tea, niacinamide, vitamin A, hyaluronic acid. I just love the packaging. I don't know why, I just love the packaging. It is so beautiful, and the best part about this primer is this is a gripping primer. Like, you will feel the tackiness on your face. It is going to hold your makeup, and it is hydrating at the same time, but not super hydrating. You know those slippery hydrating primer. 2 pumps of this particular primer, and I will use it on my cheeks. So this is what my skin looks after using the primer. I can feel that priming effect going on. I don't know what I'm saying. When it comes to my base, I don't use a foundation. Whenever I go out, I never use a foundation because I know it sounds weird, but I just don't love the feeling of foundation on my skin. I use some concealer and that's it. So I'm a lot of favorite concealers. Like, I have my Mars concealer, I have my Swiss Beauty concealer, I have my Wet n Wild Maybelline, the Maybelline Age Rewind one, Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm just gonna mix it with my Maybelline Age Rewind. This is their Photo Focus concealer. This yeah, you guys know everyone's favorite Wet n Wild concealer. I don't really see people talking about this particular product, but this is actually such a good concealer for your everyday makeup. The key is less is more. I do use a very less amount of product, just wherever I have darkness on my nose and also over here as well, because I do feel like I have some discoloration on my upper lips. I don't really try to cover up my skin too much because I just love how it looks. Using a little bit of neutralizer just to have a little bit of brightness. You can take your makeup brush or concealer brush, but I do feel like with a makeup sponge I get such a natural finish. Now I also use a makeup fixer on top of this to blend it really well. I use my MAC Fix Plus, but I do think it's a very expensive product. So if you want, you can use any makeup fixer or any hydrating makeup mist or something like that, which works really well for you. You do not have to particularly use the MAC one only. Now, just a little bit of tip that I want to give you, that whenever you are whenever you are doing a skin prep, do not go with your makeup instantly. Do not use the makeup product instantly. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let your skin have that skin prep. Let your skin just absorb everything that you used, and then go with your makeup product, or else your makeup and the skincare product that you have used, everything is going to look like everything is not going to melt together really well. So make sure you are waiting for 5 to 10 minutes and then going with your makeup products. Now I do this is what my base looks like. If I think that I have occasion or event to attend, I do one thing. I use a skin tint and I just layer it up on top of this, and that's pretty much it. I just use my just 1 or 2 drop of my skin tint. I just use it all over my face with the makeup sponge, and that's it. If I think that I need a little bit of more coverage or something like that. Of course, if you're using a foundation, if you're using a concealer, doesn't really matter. You have to use a setting powder to make it more long lasting. So I use this one from Swiss Beauty. This is their banana powder. It is such a good loose finishing powder, and I just love the packaging of this one. So what I do, I take a makeup puff like this. I always use a puff. I don't know why for makeup powders. Recently I am all into powder puffs than a brush. It just makes your makeup look so beautiful and so flawless. So it comes in a packaging like this. I just take my powder, and here I have the powder. I just remove the excess powder and make it a little bit more smooth. Now I set my face. You can see the difference. This is the side without the powder, this is the side with the powder. Instantly it is looking so much more better, so much more blurring at the same time. I just love how lightweight this particular powder is. You can see how natural it looks right now. Before moving on to my blush and highlighter, I just want to quickly show you how I do my eye makeup look. So I'm using this palette from Mars. This is their I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. This is such a good, I think I'm gonna break my nail. This is such a good everyday eyeshadow palette because you do get a mirror. Also, look at the shades. This is so perfect. Like they do have different shades as well, but this one is my favorite. It contains some pink shades, some glitters, some intense dark shades as well. You can do your smoky eyes or stuff like that. My brush, this is actually from Swiss Beauty. I love using this particular eyeshadow brush. This comes in a set, and this is their all over shadow brush. I love the shape of this particular shade, and I mix a little bit with this one. Just use it all over my eyelid just to have a little bit of color. Now this is not eye makeup look that I do every day. I'm just showing you that if I have some time, if I want to do eye makeup look, I'm gonna do something like this. Of color like this. If you think that it is getting more intense, you can definitely use your fingers and maybe smudge it out a little bit. I just love a smudged effect like this. So what I did, I took this grey eye pencil from Rimmel London. I just lined it a little bit. Then I took this pencil brush and I used this particular color to smudge it out. That's it. Just going to use it all over my lower lash line, and with the same technique I am just going to blend it out. So I just used some mascara. I used some mascara from Essence. This is my go-to favorite mascara. I just love this so much. This is what my eye makeup looks like. Love it so much. Now I am just going to use some blush, some highlighter. Now for my blush, I'm gonna use these from this brand called Rufa Beauty. I just love the packaging and the finish, the quantity that you get. Oh my god, these are insane. Like so much quantity for a blush. And also you can also use this as your lip shade at the same time. So I just really love it. So I have the shade Beyond Heaven and Dawn Fantasy. So this is like more of a terracotta brown type of a shade, and this is more pink. So I don't know which one to use. First I'm going with Beyond Heaven. Sponge and blend the product. Very pigmented, so make sure to use just a little bit. They just set well very fast, so they are very long lasting at the same time. For my highlighter, I will use this one from Mars again. This is their Wonder highlighter and this is in the shade 02. You get a mirror with this one as well, and this is what it looks like. I just love this shade so much. If you're a highlighter person, like if you want that very intense glowy highlighter finish, go with this one. You will love it. So I'm just taking a brush, taking a little bit of this highlighter because it's super pigmented, and using it. You can see, wow. Okay, so I just wiped off the lip oil that I used. I'm going with a brown lip liner for my lips. I always use a brown lip liner whenever I just do my makeup. This is like my favorite step for my everyday makeup routine. This is Mars lip liner in the shade 04, and it's a brown lip liner, so beautiful, highly pigmented. See this beautiful color. I will use a liquid lipstick. This is my favorite nude liquid lipstick. This is from Lovert and this is Bottomless Mimosas, and it is so beautiful. Such a perfect nude lip color, perfect for Indian skin tone. Anyone, like literally any skin shade can use this particular nude shade. I'm just gonna use it on top of the lip liner. Favorite combo ever, like favorite lip combo ever. I know ये 10 minutes ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा है, but literally it just takes me 10 minutes because I was explaining in this video, I was just explaining the products that I use, so it will obviously take me more than 10 minutes, but this is what I do for my everyday makeup whenever I'm just going out, or like whenever I just have time on my hands. Is the look that I really love. I just love how it complements my skin tone and also how the lip color looks, how the eye makeup just looks so beautiful together. Let me know your comments down below, which is your favorite everyday makeup product that you really love. I will obviously try to buy that and use it in my videos, so let me know in the comments below, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye.